This is the Moes Universal Smart Remote. This gives you control of your air conditioning unit from your phone. So wherever you are and you've got internet, you can turn your AC on and off, change the temperature, change the modes, all from the palm of your hand. This is what it looks like. I'm going to show you how to pair this and add it to your phone. Hi guys, here's the Smartlife app up and running. You simply press the addition button on top. You need to have your Bluetooth and your location on for the configuration part of it. Right, and there, when you hit that blue button, it automatically looks to see what device you have on your system, anything new. Right, and there it found it. Simply press add, and by default it says air conditioner. Then we press next, and here we can change the name of it. So it's air conditioner. This is the playroom, so I can put playroom air conditioner. Then I save my device. Done. Now this is where we pair or the different AC units. So we add our remote, and here you can see multiple devices. Once you have a device, you can add a TV remote, cable box remote, air conditioner, fan, anything that uses a remote, this device can be used. So it's an air conditioning unit, so you simply press AC. Ask you to choose the brand. I have a Lennox, so it's Lennox. There we go. Now each air conditioning unit has multiple different models which requires different different remotes. So in this one we're going to do a quick match. As we can see up on the top here, quick match. So the unit is off right now, so it's asking us to test to see if this button will turn on the unit. Oh yes, it did. My unit did come on, so I simply press can control. If your air condition unit did not turn on at this point, you simply press another one and you keep going. So it can control, so I say right now it's telling me to turn it to 18 degrees. Presently my unit is at 26. Let's see if this works. So yes, it did turn it to 18 degrees, so I say can control. It's asking me cool 18 degrees, high. It did not control, so add another. So I did not get anything there, so I go another one. So it did control. I can control, and there we go. Air conditioner, I could turn it on and off anywhere I got internet. Okay folks, there you have it, short and simple. One device to control your air conditioning unit from wherever you are. If you're leaving the office and you want to cool down your room or your living room before you get there, simply fire up your app and turn it on. But as with everything smart home, I'm in the Amazon ecosystem. I can control my AC unit via my voice if I'm lying in my bed. I can simply say, well, the unit is on at the moment. I can simply say, Alexa, turn off air conditioner. And there you have it folks. Voice control via your voice assistant. This has been Mike. Thanks.